I'm Dave.
And I'm Pete, and
You're watching Into the Studio.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a quick unboxing for you. I just received this today, and let's go have a look. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so now we have the Donner Spacline DMK-25. It's a mini MIDI keyboard. This way we can use this in our music production. Comes with a guidebook. Oh wow. It doesn't feel like cheap garbage plastic. The keys, they feel pretty good. It's got faders. Wow, they're nice and tight too. These are sensitive drum pads, modulation and pitch. All right, let's see what else we have in the box. Some packing cardboard, and a USB-C cable. This is a MIDI controller. However, you do not have to put it in to a MIDI output. Now there is also, I don't know if you could see that, a sustain. Looks like an 1/8" jack for sustain, and it goes in USB-C right to the computer. And I'm going to sync this up with my Ableton, and we will check it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're going to check this out in a review video coming up soon, and my boy Bear seems to like it. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe. We're going to have a lot more videos and content coming up soon. Thank you very much again.